Here the last practical for that the power electronics in that the group C, that is the commutation of that the SCR. Aim for that the practical is that the to study the techniques of that the commutation SCR. Here the apparatus for that the in this practical CRO, multimeters, SCR, capacitor, etc. In that the figure diagram, the two SCR connected through that the lead and resistors and connected through that the common anode for that the capacitor and that the common cathode. In that the circuit diagram we use for that the 1 kilo resistors, 1 kilo ohm resistors, capacitor here that the 22 picofarad, and that the thyristor is that the TY6004. Here the two thyristor are used. In that the demo lecture we see the connections and that the overall practical for that the determining the observation and that the calculating for that the voltage to anode for that the SCR1 and that the SCR2. Here the use for that the SCR1 is that the main SCR and the SCR2 is that the complement SCR. In that the observation before the commutations of that the main SCR, there is the when the SCR main is that the before commutation is that the 0.76 volt, and that the after commutation is that the main SCR is that the 10.37 volt, and that the before the commutation of that the SCR2 for that the complement is that the 0.5 volt, and that the after commutation SCR is that the 10.33 volt. Here that is the in that the demo we see the procedure for that the overall practical. Here first we the connect the circuit diagram as shown in that the figure. Apply the DC voltage above the plus 12 volt, the anode of that the SCR, and that the apply the positive trigger to get of that the main SCR. The SCR will turn on and that the bulb connected to its that the anode, it's the lights up. Then the apply the trigger pulsar to get the complementary SCR. Here the complementary SCR turns on, that is the forcing the main SCR to that the turn off. The measure the anode voltage before that the and that the after commutation. In that the commutation the turn off process is called as that the commutation. The term commutation is used to that the indicate the process of that the transferring conduction from one device to that the other device. There are the different type of that the commutation. They are depending upon that the nature of that the source, either AC or DC commutation can be the natural or that the force commutation. Also the different commutation techniques are that the line commutation, load commutation, external pulse commutation, line. In that the line or that the natural commutation, the natural or that the line commutation technique is employed when the source is AC. The SCR is turned on during that the positive half cycle of that the AC signal, and turn off that there the negative half cycle of that the AC signal automatically. Due to the natural behavior of that the line voltage, and its name is that the natural or that the line commutation. Then that the second one is that the forced commutation. In that the forced commutation, the commuting device like as the capacitor, inductor are used to force either the current flowing through that the negative voltage across the conducting SCR, so it get the turn off, and so its name is that the load commutation, because this commutation device acts as that the load to that the conducting SCR. Whereas that the forced commutation circuit are classified into that the two groups whenever the circuit will reduce the anode current below the holding current, applied the reverse negative voltage across the conducting SCR. the different type of that the fourth commutation, whereas the current commutation circuit, and that second one is that the voltage commutation circuit. Here that the commutation of that the SCR circuit is studied for that the successfully, and comment for that the experiment is that the thus the SCR commutation techniques are studied successfully.